My name is Steve Curley. I'm a member here at the church and a volunteer. I've taken care of most of the IT and technology here at the church for a lot of years. We were blessed to do a remodel about 3 years ago, which was really, in this room, was mostly an update of the space. We also did an upgrade on the sound system and the AV network that was in here. The old system was installed in 1998, so it was due for a refresh. And so as part of that, we were looking ahead, trying to guess where we were going to go and what we were going to do. And so with the advent of LED walls and the new technologies, we determined that was going to be the best fit for this space.
So the project was to enhance worship, to make it safer. What we didn't know is that it would also draw people deeper into their experience of God. We're learning that they can be used in a multitude of ways to enhance worship, so that people just don't come to worship and listen. People don't just come to worship and think, but people can now engage a multi-sensory worship experience because of the technology that we've put into this space with the help of Ford AV.
I've been one of those people that wishes we had screens for a long time. And so for it to be here now, I'm so thrilled. I cannot believe the technology and how it works. When I was shown how that artwork is actually on the screen is crazy to me. It's so brilliant. It's a brilliant color, and I just love it.
Ford understood. They got it. We talked with some other folks that had done large conference rooms before and had done other things, and they just didn't quite grasp what it was to do a worship space and a performance space. And so we just felt most comfortable with them.